Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, February 15th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to talk to you today about lead power. All right. In my last video, I talked to you about getting 10 free real-time leads, and this is the company where I get them from. Okay. So this company has been in business since 1998. All right. So 25 years in business. You can see here they have provided leads to over 174,000 network marketers. And I thought I would go over this page with you because moving forward, I'm going to be using this company to build my LiveGood business. Okay. Now, this might not be for everybody. I'm totally stepping out of my comfort zone by picking up the telephone and calling people. But this is a little different than cold calling in the sense that the leads that you get from Lead Power have been pre-qualified. All right. So these are people who are actually looking for a work from home opportunity. All right, so it's not like you're just picking up the phone book and opening it up and making cold calls to people that you don't even know what they're about. All right, these people that come into Lead Power, or the leads that you get from Lead Power, have gone through a process to where they're open to receiving information about a work from home opportunity. All right, so I've been listening to a lot of big marketers who have been in the industry for 20 plus years. Some of them have made over $25 million. And what I'm seeing from these big time leaders who have built these huge organizations is that they pick up the telephone and they call people. All right. Now, that's not to say I'm not going to do my Facebook marketing and, reach out to people on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. I'm definitely going to still continue doing YouTube and all the other ways that I generate leads. However, I want to step up my game. I want to start bringing in more people to create more spillover for my team. And I just want to improve as a leader. So what I'm going to do is, moving forward, I'm going to use Lead Power. I've already used their 10 free real-time leads. I actually picked up the phone, made 10 calls. I got hung up on twice, left several messages with people who haven't returned my call. And then I got some people who I actually sent my the Power Line landing page to. Okay, so I think that this is going to be a game changer for those who decide to use it. And there's lots of different companies out there that provide these types of services. But I wrote to customer support. They responded right away. So they have top-notch customer support. And I feel really confident about using this company. Okay. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and I know a lot of people don't, necessarily care about the BBB, but I always do look at companies and see what their rating is. Okay. All right. So they do have an A+ review here. They haven't had any complaints filed against them, which is a good thing. All right, and you can see that they've been their Better Business Bureau file opened, 15 years ago. So, but there's been no customer reviews or no customer complaints. And all the things that I've seen online about them have been, for the most part, positive. Again, you're always going to have some people who complain about everything. And those people probably got the leads and didn't do anything with them. So I like what I've seen so far. I like their customer support. I did get the 10 free real-time leads. I have a dashboard that they set up for you where everything's in the back office, which I'll do a video of later on. But so far, I can highly recommend them. So basically, I just thought I'd go over this page here and show you that, again, since 1998, we have provided leads to over 174,000 network marketers. Lead Power is not a network marketing company. However, we are one of the world's largest, most successful, most reputable vendor of the highest quality leads specializing in the network marketing profession. Lead Power truly is your ultimate one-stop shop for the very best home-based business and MLM leads. We provide you with only the freshest, most up-to-date leads possible to help you build a successful, profitable, and sustainable business. Never again worry about not having enough prospects to talk to about your business. No bugging family and friends, no wasted time and money learning how to advertise, no time spent blogging or creating videos that never get seen, no building expensive sales funnels or endless hours writing copy. All the leads you receive from us are highly qualified individuals who have stepped up and identified themselves as being interested in getting involved with a home-based business. You just have to reach out and connect with them. And listen, what you get when you sign up with this company, all right? And you can use the link down in the description box. You're going to get 10 free leads. All right, that's the link to get 10 free leads. You get all the important information. You get the first and last name, telephone number, IP address, email address, the city and state or province they're from, you know, the timestamp when they signed up, and you get all the information you need. So I suppose if you weren't willing to pick up the telephone and make calls, you could always send them an email or a text message. But that's at your discretion. I'm just going by what I'm watching these other high earners in the network marketing industry do. Okay, they pick up the phone, and I'm going to do more videos on that and exactly what I say. And you know, I'm still learning this process. It's new to me, and I'm an introvert, so it's been a little bit scary. But the more you do it, the more fun it becomes. And I think within another week or two of doing this, it's going to be pretty natural, and I think things will work out, okay? So it says, in addition to delivering top quality MLM lead generation services, we pride ourselves in providing excellent customer service. Your satisfaction is our highest priority. You can reach live customer service representatives either by phone or by email, whichever is best for you. It is our stated company policy to go the extra mile to keep you a happy repeat customer. On top of that, you get genuine training on how to contact, present, and close the leads you order from us. This is not a bunch of philosophy, some flimsy pamphlet, or a load of fluff either. Besides giving you access to an extensive 20-module recorded training series, you will be able to participate in free events where we do live dials. During these live dial training sessions, our lead instructor will actually call our leads on the phone and make presentations while you get to listen in. Then, we do a detailed analysis of the calls and answer your questions. This is quite simply top-of-the-line training. Even better, there is no charge for these live dial training sessions. Yes, they are free. If you are serious about achieving success with your business, then Lead Power is your only choice for MLM leads and training. And there's still more. We provide you with our proprietary user interface back office that delivers your leads in real time and gives you access to your data 24/7. You'll get a username and a password and have direct access to all your leads and information whenever you want it. Every time we generate a new lead, you will be notified by email, and the data will be placed in your back office as an added backup. All right, I really love this company. I mean, now this is the most popular packages here, just to give you an example. The basic, you can see you get 200 real-time short forms. All right, so this company has capture pages that they advertise all over, and it's for working at home opportunities. All right, so when somebody opts into this short form, they're agreeing that somebody is going to get in touch with them about a work from home opportunity. All right, you can get 200 real-time short form leads for $65, 15 leads a day for 20 days. All right, you can see here 200 fresh telephone interviewed leads for $89. Okay, you get 600 real-time short forms for $97, and they also have clicks here. All right, so you can get 75 unique super targeted clicks for $71, 94 cents a click. But there's all kinds of other packages as well. That's just their best sellers. All right, so we have real-time short forms. Our short form MLM leads provide vital contact information for interested prospects who have asked about starting a home business. We have phone interviewed leads. Our phone interviewed leads are not just contacted lists. Prospects have confirmed interest in learning more about home-based business opportunities. We have exclusive leads. All right, we have build a local business. You can specify your area code and get leads from that area code. International leads. They do have an affiliate program. Okay, now that link in the description where you can get your 10 free leads is my affiliate link. So if you go there, try out the 10 leads and like it, and then order leads, I will make a commission from that. I talked to you about the free leads and then a lead summary. All right, there's over 20 different lead types to choose from. So you can see here, they've had over 174,000 total customers since 1998. They have 26,000 plus phone interviewed leads every month. They have 32,000 targeted clicks every month, and they have 42,000 plus real-time short forms. So they're never going to run out of leads for you, okay? Ever. They have a whole bunch of testimonials on this page, and it just goes in more about everything here. But they have a company mission, their philosophy, they have training. Okay, so everything that you need is down in that link in the description box. And you can come and check out this site for yourself. So anyway, I'm going to just keep this video short, but I am letting everyone know that I do recommend Lead Power. I have not tried the super clicks here, okay? So I don't know if that's a good fit for LiveGood or for your network marketing company. I have no idea about that. What I'm going to be solely using Lead Power for is getting leads and then making phone calls, okay? So I will do more videos about this in the future. I plan to do some training calls once I get more familiar with this and I have a few hundred calls under my belt, okay? So if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the description box below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in learning more about LiveGood, I have a link in the description box as well that will take you over to my LiveGood tour page. All right, here we have a 6-minute video that just explains everything in great detail. You can reserve your position in our 2x15 force matrix by putting your first and last name here and a valid email and then clicking reserve my position now. All right, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.